Georgia's COVID-19 numbers for today include a backlog from Monday, but even adjusted for that, cases, testing, and hospitalization all continue to escalate. They're all up. This was a record day for COVID testing. Those are the bars in orange. Health officials report more than 53,000 new tests today. That's more than double what we see on a normal day. New cases also jumped up today by more than 3,500. The number of people in the hospital also is rising. More than 1,700 Georgia patients now are in need of serious medical care. We've been seeing the number of people in hospital growing for the past month now. 11 Alive is committed to bringing you the facts about COVID. Check the special coronavirus section of 11alive.com for breakdowns of Georgia case numbers, the latest on vaccines and more.